I hope everyone is doing good. Here it comes Huawei Nova 7i. And today I'm going to unbox this and let me show what all the things are inside in this box. So let me open for you. Okay. So I'm just showing you how it looks outerly. So here it Nova 7i ROM 128GB and RAM 8GB color midnight black. So let me show you what all the things are inside in this box. so I'm so excited. I bought it from noon.com. I really so happy to unbox this because first time I'm buying Huawei brand phone, so that's the reason excitement I have it. So let me open for you. So you have see, whenever you buy you need to check this I'm secure and the seal is over here. So I'm just removing this seal and yeah, here it comes, my brand new Huawei Nova 7i. I'll show you how it looks. Here it comes, my Huawei Nova 7i. So you can see it. I'll show you later. First I'll show what other things are inside in this box. So keep it aside. Here it comes. Great. This is a similar tool, and here it comes as a guide, quick start guide. You can go through it later. Here it comes, back case cover, really good. They are providing you back case cover. That's nice, that's good. Transparent back case cover, really it is good. So here it comes, Type-C cable, USB Type-C cable, very good. They have provided fast charger. And here it comes adapter, the 40 watts adapter, very fast charger. So really I'm so happy. I bought it at 780 dirham, and you can check it out here. This is 40 watts supercharge. Really it's very nice, and I'm so happy to buy this phone because it has a very good configurations, really good. So here it comes. Wow, it's a full HD display, notch to notch. It's really good, and this color I like it. It has 4 camera backside. It's really nice. Generously designed touchscreen with the intriguing color depth renders to true to life visuals. It has high capacity battery, powers the device for prolonged hours on a single charge. It's good, so you need to buy this for if you are looking for a budget phone. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel for more technical videos. Thank you.